And with summer just around the corner, protecting your skin is always a concern, and nobody knows more about skin than Dr. Sandra Lee, aka Dr. Pimple Popper. Dr. Lee,
hello.
Welcome back.
Thank you for having me.
Have literally seen just about everything imaginable when we talk about skin.
Yes, since the show, I'll have to say I've seen a lot of things now. Absolutely.
Well, yeah, let's get to it. Chicken skin. First of all, what is chicken skin?
Yes, these are things that we see more in the spring and the summer because we're showing more of our skin, you know. Yeah. And chicken skin is really what's called keratosis pilaris. This is a common condition. The bumpiness that you see and you feel on your arms, it can also occur on your cheeks and on the front of your thighs.
Oh, wow, look at that.
This is nothing life-threatening at all. It's just something that really bothers people. It really embarrasses people. So one thing that you really want to look for is something that exfoliates the skin and gets rid of that bumpy feeling and helps to lighten the brown spots that occur. Okay. So really, I have an SLMD body smoothing system. This has glycolic acid. You can find products over the counter that contain glycolic acid, and this helps to exfoliate the skin. It's like a chemical peel ingredient.
Okay, and how often would you use that?
You can use it once a day or certainly twice a day, even if you feel like, you know, you have, this is to scrub like in the shower, and this is a lotion. So really it can help to exfoliate and get rid of all that dry, dull skin layer and actually help to flatten some of that bumpiness because it's noticeable to people because you touch their skin
and you can feel it.
And you just feel embarrassed about it.
Yeah, well, this next one, I know I have this problem. You know, we peel our layers when summer comes, and then you see all these patchy spots of skin, discoloration, all that kind of stuff.
Yes. Well, this is a condition that is called tinea versicolor. It's actually a condition we see when it gets hotter because you're sweating more, and especially if it's a humid environment. There's a yeast that likes to grow in our skin. It's normal. It's a normal yeast.
It's normal. Okay.
But sometimes it gets a little feisty in some people, and it likes to just, you know, survive a little bit more. So what happens is when you go out and you get a tan, those areas don't tan, and that's why we see it actually more often on the chest, on the back, these patchy areas. You can get a prescription antifungal from a dermatologist, but really one way to kind of cheat that if you can't see a dermatologist is to get an over-the-counter dandruff shampoo.
Really?
These have products in them that help to decrease the yeast count on your skin. So instead of washing your hair with it, you can, but wash your body with it maybe once a week, maybe a couple times a week, especially if you know you're about to go to the, you know, to the beach and something or get a tan. So this will help to keep that away.
It's that easy. Wow.
Yeah, okay, that easy.
Now this next one. Yes. I think we all have it. Back knee.
Yes, back knee is definitely, that's acne on your back. It is, yes, and it is a really kind of it's certainly a source of embarrassment too, because, you know, especially in the summer, you're wearing really occlusive clothing. And if you go to the gym and you can't change your clothes, that really promotes a perfect environment for acne. And I think that you can really focus on some really good products that help to treat the back instead of the face. Really can be more aggressive on the body. Yeah. So really I have here a salicylic acid body spray and an salicylic acid cleanser. These are also chemical peel ingredients, but salicylic acid is particularly great because it actually can crystallize to small enough a size to settle within your pores and help to keep them clear from debris so you don't get blackheads and whiteheads. This is a really great spray too because you can spray it on your back.
I was about to say it's easy to use for yourself.
Yes, it can go 360 degrees, and what's really nice too is that, you know, because sometimes you can't take a shower when you're running home from the gym. You have to go run errands and you can't stop. And so these kinds of products are really good to kind of keep your skin clear when you cannot take a shower.
Now, is it also safe to use on your chest? Because I know sometimes I break out like right here and I'm having that same problem.
Yeah, and remember, you can probably be a little more aggressive with the types of treatments, the strength of the treatments on your body as opposed to your face, because our skin on our face tends to be more sensitive. It might peel more easily. And here I feel like our skin's thicker. You know, the skin on our back is the thickest skin on our body, so you can really probably use more potent ingredients to try to help to clear up that acne.
Yeah, and I love this last one because, woo, boy, does it always happen. The pimple comes right when, I know you have your big event, right?
Right, yes. You know, when you have that big pimple there, the really important point is not to squeeze at that point. Because you know, it just makes it more angry, it gets bigger, and it's going to cause more of a problem later. You really have to wait for it to come to a head. So really the best thing to do is to see a dermatologist, and they can shoot it with a little low-potency steroid, and that can get rid of it in less than 24 hours. But if you can't see a dermatologist and you need something in a pinch, you really want to try to find hemorrhoid cream.
Cream, wow.
Or hydrocortisone, because it usually has hydrocortisone in it. Yeah. Or a hydrocortisone cream over the counter, and you can take a little Q-tip and dot that area. It will help to constrict some of the blood vessels that go to the area. It'll help to decrease the inflammation and the redness in the meantime. So that's really a good little tip, and also cover it with concealer, of course.
All right, and
keep your hands away.
And no popping. Even though it's Dr. Pimple Popper, no popping. So you can go to Dr. Pimple Popper's website to get all of the information on all of these great tricks right here.